slokas randomly. So the group one first, the first winner is Nitya. So she recited 10 slokas without any prompt. Shloka competition. Yes.
मात्र स्पर्शस्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखद आगमापायनो नित्यास्तां तुतिष्योष्य भारता.
Your name is there in that shloka. You should it? Nitya is there, huh? In that? Very well. Wow.
Second prize, Viman. So he also recited 10 slokas, but one sloka little prompt is required for him. Second prize.
पत्रं पुष्पं फलं तोयं यो मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्तुप्रहृतम् अश्नावितरकान्तनः.
Okay, next. Third place, Lakshmi Kaushika.
परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Group 2, first place, Manav. 15 slokas he recited. Out of 30, they had to randomly recite 15, whichever the judges have asked.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहत स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेता यश्रेयस्यां निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधिमां प्रपन्नम्. We should respect the elders.
Okay. Second, Samanvit. He recited 13 slokas. Group 2, sloka competition.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्.
Third place, Anand Gopi. She will come. 12 slokas she recited.
भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं शुश्रुतं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति.
Okay, now we'll go to storytelling.